Today is Easter Monday, and what makes this Monday special in particular is the fact that in this past weekend, we have been reminded a lot about what God has actually done for us as humanity. And one of the greatest things that I got reminded of this weekend was that God is capable of putting you back together in the presence of what broke you. And in this week's episode, I'd like to actually encourage people and tell them that God in this season, He is getting ready to put you back together in front of the things that actually broke you, be it mental, disorders, be it traumatic experiences, be it hurt, be it whatever that has actually broken you. God is actually preparing you to fix you and put you back together in the presence of what really broke you. And that's